Hi! In front of me is CUBOT Tablet Tab 10, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. You need to start by installing your new default apps. I will go with Opera Mini browser. So just go into Play Store, download all of your apps and go into Devices Settings. After accessing settings, you need to choose Apps and Notifications, scroll down and click on Advanced. From here, select Default Apps and tap on one of those sections. For example, I want to change my browser app, so I have to click over here, choose Opera Mini in order to set it up, and tap on the back button. After that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!